How to find your talent profile links. This is a tutorial for Actors Access, Casting Networks, IMDb, and Backstage. When asked for your talent profile links, you will provide the following. You'll go ahead and put the title of the link that you're providing and then the actual link. It'll look just like this. So when you're sending it in an email, this is what it should look like for all 4 profiles. At Set on a Hill, we only ask for 3, your Actors Access, Casting Networks, and IMDb link. You can skip the Backstage link for us. Here we'll go step by step on how to find your Actors Access link. Your Actors Access link will look like resumes.actorsaccess.com/your chosen username. Step 1. Log into actorsaccess.com. Step 2. Select the My Tools menu drop-down. Step 3. Select Custom Link in the drop-down. Step 4. Copy the link. That's what you'll paste in the email. So let's see what that looks like. Here's step 1 in Actors Access. Select My Tools. When the drop-down appears under My Tools, select Custom Link. Then, on the right side, you'll see it say Preview and Copy Link. You're going to select Copy Link. How to find your Casting Networks profile link. Your Casting Networks profile link will look something like this. https://app.castingnetworks.com/talent/public-profile/your unique URL. How to find your Casting Networks profile. Step 1, log into castingnetworks.com. Step 2, select your profile. Step 3, select Copy Shareable Profile Link. Go to castingnetworks.com and select Login. Select your profile. You'll typically automatically be placed into your profile, so you'll already be there. Then at the right-hand side, just select Copy Shareable Profile Link. That's it. How to find your IMDb profile link. Your IMDb profile link will look something like this. imdb.com/name/nm and then your handle. Step 1 is to go to imdb.com. Step 2 is to search for your name at the top search bar. Step 3 is to copy the URL in the address bar, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here at the top, we have imdb.com, and you'll see a search bar at the top. It'll say IMDb, menu, all, and then search IMDb. Go ahead and click the search IMDb, type in your name, and then select the correct name. After that, go ahead and copy the URL. When you're looking at the URL, copy everything before the question mark. The question mark and everything after the question mark is talking about the reference, like where you just clicked from, and so that's not part of it. So it's everything before the question mark is your IMDb profile URL. Now, in a different way, if you have IMDb Pro and you're already logged into IMDb Pro, it's going to look a little bit different. So go ahead and log into pro.imdb.com. Step 2, select You, and then select Your Page in the drop-down. Select the 3 dots on the top right, then select Visit on IMDb in the drop-down. Copy the URL in the address bar, and again, stop before the question mark. So here's what that looks like. Go ahead inside of IMDb Pro, and at the top right where your photo is, select You. In the drop-down, select Your Page. Then, at the right-hand side, you're going to see 3 dots. Select those 3 dots, and in the pop-up, select Visit on IMDb. This is going to take you to your IMDb page, and go ahead and copy the URL, everything before the question mark. Here it's just going to give you a reference to the last page you are on. We don't necessarily need that. It's not a big deal if you do copy the whole URL, but we're just letting you know what the most important part of the URL is everything before the question mark. Again, look at the reference URL provided. How to find your Backstage profile link. Your Backstage profile link will look something like either of these two URLs, backstage.com/u/your handle or backstage.com/tal/your handle. How to find your Backstage profile URL. Step 1, go to backstage.com and log in. Step 2, select Profile, then select Talent Profile in the drop-down. Right where you're at, copy the URL in the address bar. That is your profile URL, right there in the address bar. No need to go any further, but we'll show you some other ways to find your URL. Another way to find your URL is after you've gone to backstage.com, selected Profile, then selected Talent Profile in the drop-down, select Switch to Preview Mode, and then select Copy URL. That's it. There's your URL for your profile in Backstage. So let's see what that looks like. We're logged into Backstage. We select Profile, then Talent Profile. And right away, just go to the top of the address bar in your web browser, and that URL in your web browser in the address bar is your profile URL. You're done. Here's another way to find it. When you log into backstage.com, select Profile, then Talent Profile. Now select Switch to Preview Mode. It's in blue, and it's going to say it in white letters, Switch to Preview Mode. Then select Copy URL. They make it really easy for you. Just select Copy URL. So, depending from where you copied it from, your URL will be backstage.com/u/your handle or backstage.com/tal/your handle. If this tutorial was helpful, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos within the industry.